Are these marijuana stocks ready for the bulls? Where could these pot stocks to watch go in the next few months? As far as the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ traded marijuana stocks go, there are only a handful to choose from. This is due to the time that marijuana stocks have been traded on these exchanges. In the US, we only have been able to trade pot stocks on the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ for a few years. This means that there may still be a great deal of opportunity for these marijuana stocks to watch. When thinking of uplisted pot stocks, investors tend to recall only the top 2 or 3 by market cap. Companies such as Canopy Growth Corp and Aphria Inc. are the most popular in the cannabis industry. And while they may win in popularity, there are plenty of other NASDAQ and New York Stock Exchange listed pot stocks to watch. Within these exchanges, there are also a few cannabis stocks with a low involvement in the pure play side of the industry. A NASDAQ-listed cannabis stock to watch. Sundial Growers Inc. is a major producer of cannabis based out of Canada. The company states that it produces marijuana using state-of-the-art facilities that are based on the indoor growing method. In addition to this, Sundial stock has received a lot of approval for the company's award-winning cannabis strains. Although it does grow indoors, Sundial has as much as 500,000 square feet of growing space. This is more than most others and puts Sundial stock above many other pot stocks. Although there are similar cannabis growers like Tilray Inc., Sundial stock has a unique position in the market. The company also recently announced that it had completed a registered offering of around 25.8 million series a unit. This should help to bring in a great deal of capital to help with future expansion products. Another cannabis grower pot stock. Organigram Holdings Inc. is a similarly positioned cannabis stock to Sundial stock. In late April, Organigram stock was on the way to uplist onto the NASDAQ exchange. Soon after, the company received approval to do so with trading beginning in mid-May. Since that time, many investors have taken notice to Organigram stock. Organigram has stated that it also grows cannabis indoors, which can be very profitable for some marijuana stocks. What makes Organigram stock unique is the company has licenses to distribute cannabis across all Canada's 10 provinces. This gives it more access to the Canadian cannabis industry than almost any other domestic cannabis grower. In addition, Organigram has continued to invest millions into production and efficiency to make itself one of the leading growers of cannabis across the industry. Investors should, however, be aware that Organigram stock is known to be quite volatile. Because of this, risk can often be high for investors. With that, Organigram stock continues to present investors with interesting opportunities.